Hey guys, check out this bedside lamp I just got. I'm using it for my desk. It's got a really cool contemporary design. Love this wood finish. It's got 3 levels of brightness. You just touch the outer rim here, anywhere. It's got a nice light. It's not dead on your face or anything like that. It creates a really nice kind of like a background light. Wireless charger. You can also adjust the dimmability of the clock itself by hitting snooze. I love the dot matrix style numbers that kind of flip through. It also has snooze, 2 alarms, and a sound function. Just hit this button here. And hit this button here to go through them. The volume is also adjustable for that. Really cool.